is there something that one or two or a lot of your clients are doing right now that come to mind as like one of the best things for getting applicants in the home service industry? Because I know we see it in the groups all the time, right? Everybody's complaining about not being able to find employees and there's not people out there. Like, is there anything that you're seeing that they're doing that's like, hey, this seems to be working really well?
So leveraging social media to appeal personally to people. And, whether it's a sub account or the owner's account that they're using to highlight their team, and they're just networking out the wazoo for everybody, to reach local and get referrals and things like that. Everybody knows an HVAC guy because there's always an HVAC guy they have on call to come fix their stuff. So reaching them on a personal level, saying, hey, you know what? I like my guy. He never seems happy when he comes over to do my annual servicing. Maybe I'll mention this. So just getting that reach out there, kind of like my HR guy thing that I'm doing. It's getting the reach out there. So when something does happen, they know who to call.
That's huge. I want to highlight something that I didn't actually think of until you just said this, because I want to make sure anybody listening to this hears it fully. When you're talking about leveraging social, even my marketing brain goes towards like, okay, well, yeah, we can do the cool pictures and we can help showcase the video behind the scenes, but now we've got to get it in front of a technician, right? Mm-hmm. Well, what you just shared is so huge. And it's a complete mindset shift for a lot of the owners out there, because I know I'm talking to them, that it doesn't, your content about behind the scenes and your culture doesn't need to reach an HVAC technician that's looking for a job. Your content needs to reach the community, because everybody knows an HVAC technician or a plumbing technician or a CSR or whatever, right? So it's leveraging this entire community and, the grandmothers and the parents of these people, where they say, Danny comes over, he's always complaining about his job. Well, Grandma Jean sees this really cool culture, and she's the one that says, hey, you should apply here. That's a huge, huge piece that I want to make sure we highlight, that you don't have to get it in front of a technician. It needs to get in front of the community, and the community will help get that culture in front of that technician they've seen that's unhappy or asking questions. That's awesome.
Yeah.